Hi everyone, welcome back. So yeah, in today video we will see how to send a message to any recipient number. Okay, so via Python code. So to do that, we should have something. Okay, we should have this package, the Twilio, and we need to install in your machine. So to do that, we just need to run the command pip install Twilio. Okay, this is the command you need to run, and it will get installed. Once it installed, you should have the Twilio account. So to do that, I will mention the URL in the description. Okay, and otherwise you can see this is the URL you have to go. Okay, this is the URL you need to go on this URL, and you need to create your account, and you need to verify your email ID and phone number, and it will get created there. Okay, so once it will created, you can see your SID number, authentication token, all those will came once you have created your account. Okay, and then what you need to do, so here it will create the client, okay, for your account, and then you need to replace this number with your recipient number. This is the dummy value I have passed, and this is also the SID and token, both are the dummy value I have passed. The next thing, you need to replace your message. So I have put it, hello, this is your text message from Torio. You can replace whatever things you want, the text message. And the next thing, you need to send your message to the with your Tolio accounts. Okay, so once you created the Tolio account, you will get a mobile number as well. So this is your mobile number, you need to replace with your Tolio mobile number here. And next thing, once you replace, it will send to recipient number. So okay, so here we replace the recipient number. Okay, then it will send there. And here you can modify your message as well. Okay, so here SMS sent successfully means it will, what it will do, it will so here the recipient number and the message ID as well. Okay, so message ID will be here. Okay, so you can see it will get, sorry, it will get changed every time whenever you send the message. So it will print, actually it will print in your console, and whatever message you passed here, it will get sent to your recipient mobile number. Okay, okay, then other things, so once you replace all these things, you just need to run the code. So run without debug, so it will now give the error. Okay, so you can see here the error. Okay, HTTP error, your request was, and all your return will follow okay, so actually this is what more info is available on this portal. Okay, so actually I have created, but I can't replace here because it's what to say, it's a secure thing, so that's why I'm not replacing. So you can replace it, and it will definitely work because I have tested this code, and the message gets sent to my mobile number. Yeah, so please like and subscribe my video, and for interesting thing, and thank you.